In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your spam and junk folder in Gmail to recover any messages that might have inadvertently ended up there. This is an essential skill that can help you ensure you're not missing any important communications. So, let's dive in and get those potentially misplaced emails back to your main inbox where they often rightfully belong. First, let's begin by opening up your Gmail account. You can do this by navigating to Gmail's website in your web browser and logging in with your credentials if prompted. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a list of menu options such as Inbox, Sent, Trash, and more. Now, you may have noticed that spam emails don't immediately show up in this primary list. That's because the spam folder is usually tucked away to keep it out of sight unless accessed deliberately. To locate it, scroll down to the bottom of that menu. If you don't see the spam and junk folder immediately, don't worry. It might be hidden under the More section. Go ahead and click on More to expand the menu options, and soon enough, you'll spot the spam folder. Once you've found it, click on the spam folder. Here, you'll see any messages that Gmail has filtered as spam. Scanning through this list might reveal some emails that should not have been categorized as spam at all. Imagine pulling back the curtain on a hidden trove of emails that could contain vital information or communication threads. Now, say you found an email that doesn't belong in the spam folder. How do you get it back to your main inbox? Simply click to open that particular email, and towards the top of the email, you'll see an option that says Not Spam. Click this, and Gmail will automatically move the email back to your inbox, learning from your action to prevent similar future misclassifications. Additionally, to avoid this email or similar ones from being treated as spam in the future, you can consider adding the sender's email to your contacts. This addition tells Gmail that emails from this sender are less likely to be spam and should land in your inbox directly. It's always a good practice to regularly check your spam folder, as Gmail may occasionally misplace important mail due to various factors, including misunderstanding promotional emails or itemizing lesser-known senders as spam. By maintaining this awareness and knowing how to manage your email effectively, you ensure that critical conversations and newsletters never slip through the cracks. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you keep a clean, organized, and accessible email inbox.